Hello everyone, just watering my plants here. So I shot the video of putting up the fence, but it's really windy and it doesn't sound very good. So I'm going to just speed it up, put some music under it, but I wanted to explain to you guys I had just enough so I have a door so I can get in and out. So I'm going to put something here and then, yeah. So that's one project done, and we'll keep you updated on the watermelon growth. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Let's show you how it came out. I know it's very windy today. I apologize for the wind noise, but not too bad. I'll figure out something to put in there, even if it's a piece of plywood or something, and yeah, at least it'll keep the critters out. So, alright guys, there's another project, and we'll keep you updated on the watermelons. But, some heavy wind. I'll see you guys later.